Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my Bitcoin trades, what I think is happening in Bitcoin. Yesterday I opened a really big long for Bitcoin, which is beautiful. It's up around $5,000 if you followed. There's an alerts channel on Telegram I'm going to show you as well. Make sure to watch to the end. Bitcoin trades, Ethereum trades. I'm going to ask also, I'm here with Slavic and Thomas. I'm going to ask their opinions about Bitcoin as well at the end of the video. Hit the subscribe button, join 75,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button, and don't forget, every time you comment on the video down below, 5 winners are chosen every month, $200 given away every 5 times, so $1,000 away given every month. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going for Bitcoin. Now I'm going to use the Bitcoin US dollar index because the index is all the exchanges. So it's showing a lot more information. And you're looking at Bitcoin moving since 2018 here. So you're looking at the price of moving. This was the 2018 bull run. Then Bitcoin, this is the 200 weekly moving average. 200 weekly moving average, this blue line. And you can see that the Bitcoin bottomed every time it touched the 200-day moving average. And what's awesome is if we really zoom in, you can see Bitcoin even at 2014. And what's interesting, look at 2000, this is the pump from 2013 where Bitcoin went to $100, down to up to $1,200, then back to $230. Right? And then when we zoom out a little bit, you can see this is the 2018 pump. And look how small, when you see the 2018 pump, you can see how small this pump becomes in 2013, right? This was 2018, from 20,000 down to 3,000. And then again, when we zoom out, and then you can see the 2021 to 22 pump, and then you can see how small this gets, right? So just always keep that in mind, everyone. Keep zooming out and just imagine when this one looks the same size as that one, and Bitcoin's up here in the 200,000 plus range. So just keep that in mind always in the long-term side of things. Bitcoin came down towards the 200 moving average and weekly average. And look at this, every time Bitcoin touches the 200 weekly average for the entire history, that marks the end of the bear market. You can see Bitcoin touched it here in 2019. You can see Bitcoin pierced through it during COVID 2020 crash and then closed the week actually higher. The second week above it, and you can see here just recently this week we broke through it and we're sitting just underneath it right now. Stochastic is very oversold on the weekly, heading up. RSI is very oversold, turning to head up. Squeeze mob is going from very red to green. On the daily, Stochastic is very oversold, heading up. Squeeze mob is going towards the green. It looks like it's peaked the red, and RSI is turning to head up very strongly. On the 4-hourly, Stochastic is overbought, heading very strongly up. Squeeze mob is going to the green, and RSI is pumping, got more to move, but we're looking like we're having a big bounce back. I expect a big resistance at this 22,000, this 200 weekly moving average. And if you followed my video yesterday, I said Bitcoin most likely will hold this channel and bounce off here, and I was right. We're up $1,000 something from that. It's also got here an inverse head and shoulders, which is a very bullish formation, that if that plays out, the head, the distance of the head will be the movement that we expect for Bitcoin, which could be taking us to around here. It can take us to around $24,000. So just very nice potential here. And that Bitcoin long, there's a Bitcoin long chance. I talked about that long yesterday and we're already in the profits, and I talked about the long this morning. And I think Bitcoin, we've got two bullish signs right now. Inverse head and shoulders, that's a bullish movement to the 24,000. Cup and handle, that's also a bullish movement to the 24,000. So two bullish indicators for Bitcoin right now. On the hourly, an indicator, a technical analysis, you can learn it in the crypto course. The link is in the description. We also bounced off this channel, this support line, and we're heading up. We're at a strong resistance point, but Bitcoin is looking strong. 22,300 is the point to break through. I'm going to show you my trades that I have open and where I would open a trade. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description of the video, you can see the link to Bybit. When you sign up to Bybit, you get a $4,800 bonus when you sign up to Bybit and deposit Bitcoin. If you don't use this partner.bybit.com/buy alts link, if you don't use it, you only get a $400 bonus. So make sure when you sign up to Bybit, you use this link. You can also watch the Bitcoin trading live tutorial where I teach you how, and take the crypto masterclass so you can learn what I'm doing. Over on Bybit, I opened a big trade on Bitcoin yesterday, which is beautiful. I've got a 9x leverage 5 Bitcoin trade on Bitcoin, which is now up $4,837 from last night. You're watching it live as it's fluctuating around. $4,837, $4,839, $4,857. So jumping around a lot. It's up 42% since last night, which is beautiful. beautiful. This is a 9x leverage trade, 5 Bitcoin. And I've also got a Ethereum trade, 3.5 Bitcoin, which is up 114%, $225 in the profits. This one is $4,847 in the profits on Bitcoin. Also in my account is pumping. I had 170,000 or something yesterday. Now I'm 186,033, so 186,000 real US dollars. I've got Bitcoin, $85,000 worth of Bitcoin, 4 Bitcoin, USDT, 46,000 Bit. I've got 11,000. I bought $10,000. Doge, I've got 10,000. Those are my trades there. And over on Binance, I've got in this account, it's up. This account is up $6,000 from yesterday, $284,599. I've got 10.2 Bitcoin in here, which is up a lot today. I've got USDT 64,000. That's all I'm holding in here. At the moment, I'm going to be buying more when it comes down. Now, where I would open a trade, if you haven't yet opened a trade, is I would be going long on this potential breakout with its stop loss below the daily support and the take profit at the 200 weekly average. So this is where I would open a long on Bitcoin right now, opening the long at 20,000. And I'm going to share this, everyone. I share all my trades in this Telegram, all my crypto Bitcoin long trades in Crypto Guru Alerts. The link is in the description and the pinned comment underneath the video. In the description down below, you can see the link to the Telegram. Make sure you join it and you're going to get my live alerts. And this is where I showed, thank you everyone. I got lots of thanks for those trades. This is a new Bitcoin long setup that I posted a few hours ago. This is the Ethereum trade that I posted. This is the Bitcoin trade that I posted where it was up 3,500, now up almost $5,000. You can see all in Crypto Guru Alerts on Telegram. The link is down below. So where I would open the trade is this one right now for Bitcoin on, I would set open at 21,000 where we're sitting right now, 21,100. Stop loss I would put at 20,400. So how you read my trades in the Telegram and on these videos is the top is the take profit. The middle is where the trade opens. The bottom is where the stop loss will hit and close the trade. So I would go long on Bitcoin. I've already got a long open, but if I hadn't opened a long, I would open this long right now. Bitcoin opening at 20,100, stop loss 20,460, and take profit 22,359. So I'm risking $629 to make $1,200 profits. Risking $600 to make $1,200 with 10x leverage. That's $120,000 of profits, and that's the trade that I've got open right now. My Bitcoin trade is up now $4,970, $5,000. You're watching it live. This trade for 5,040 Bitcoin is pumping, which is beautiful. I'm going to keep that trade. Again, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, sign up to Bybit. The link is down below. You get that $4,800 bonus when you sign up to Bybit. I asked people, what are you doing now? What are you buying now? Crypto's 56%, stocks 5%, both 7%, 32%, nothing. So most people are buying crypto right now. This is the Bitcoin rainbow price log chart, and you can see every time it was in the red, that's the maximum bubble territory. When it's in the blue, it's basically a fire sale. And you can see every time it came up to the red on this log scale, the Bitcoin rainbow chart, every time it came to red, it would be very overbought and correct down to the blue. And you're seeing now we've touched that blue area of basically a fire sale on Bitcoin. I think this is, I asked the question, where do you think Bitcoin bottoms? 2,500 people voted. Most 29% said at 14,000, 21% at 18,000, 18. So you got to guess where you put. I'm going to pick a winner who caught the exact bottom once we know when the bottom is from that previous video. But that's what most people are thinking right now from 2,500 votes. Thank you all for voting. Make sure you subscribe down below so you can vote as well. Not too many genuine YouTubers, influencers. James is one of a small handful. I would advise anyone to subscribe to his channel if you want honest expert advice on the crypto markets. Thank you, New. Dean, congratulations on your $200 USD win. I appreciate your time. You saved a lot of people money on this waterfall drop. Thank you very much, Joel. Beautiful videos. I've been following you and watching your videos since November 2021. I love your lifestyle. I'm a truly MCRT supporter. I believe in you and the project. Keep it up, James. Thank you, and just amazing comments from all of you. Those are my trades. Again, I share my live trades in the Crypto Alerts channel on YouTube. On Telegram. Thank you all for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button. Join 75,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. Now I'm going to quickly ask Slavik, do you think we bottomed here?
Should we make a new bet?
Dangerous.
The people are asking me, let's do a new bet. Yes, it's very difficult to say. I think right now it's very difficult to say because we have to watch what the Fed will say. If they will increase more the interest rates, then we will not bottoming out. But if they say, okay, we are now stop shitting at you, then I think we are bottoming out.
Oh, by the way, the stock market had a bit of a pump, huh?
And the stock market future is pumping right now, yes.
Which is good sign because the Fed said they might be reducing quantitative easing. And Thomas, what do you think? Thomas Crowlow on YouTube, you can follow his YouTube channel as well.
Oh, James, I don't know. I think that there's huge likelihood of a bounce because we're never going down in a straight line, so there might be some kind of a bounce. And BBWP indicator is showing us that the volatility has peaked, so we might see some kind of consolidation, maybe even to the upside with a retest of maybe even 26K. Who knows? But at the same time, I believe that we must have another leg down, especially what Slavi just said with the quantitative tightening that's happening, because Fed is lagging always behind on their actions. So potentially, target of the bottom for me is 14 to 20K, and then the worst case scenario 10 to 14.
What will you be buying the most of down here, or when you think the bottom is in?
Ethereum probably most, and Bitcoin, and then top gold.
And Slavic? Buying the most?
I'm buying the most Ethereum.
Ethereum.
Yeah.
I'm buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, CRV, and Bit. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe. Make sure comment down below 5 winners chosen everyone. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.